So how in the world does a chiropractic adjustment help with acid reflux? Let me explain something. So what happens during the birthing process, just being a kid, these vertebrae will become misaligned, and you have nerve tracts here that go all the way to the stomach. So watch my finger. So at T6, T7, T8, and T9, all these thoracic vertebrae, you'll get a pinching of the nerves right here. It goes to the celiac ganglion and it'll affect the stomach. So that's why kids with reflux, especially toddlers and infants, do amazing with chiropractic care. So if you know anybody suffering with acid reflux, colic, gassy, chiropractic care does amazing.